NI was established in 1980 primarily as a training institute for senior executives of the insurance industry, set up by the life insurance industry, the general insurance industry, and with active support from Government of India. The Academy also conducts an AICTE approved PGDM program in insurance management. This is a 2-year full-time residential course. Over the years, the Academy's activities have diversified and include training, research, education, consultancy, and publications.
National Insurance Academy organized Financial Inclusion, a day-long seminar on June 14, 2013, bringing together on one platform eminent personalities known for contributing to the field of financial inclusion. Objectively, the seminar delved into various issues and aimed at helping to devise a concrete future course of action. The broad theme for the seminar was Millions to Cover, Reaching the Unreached Through Insurance.
Tattva 2013, a seminar on HR perspectives, was successfully organized by the students of NIA on 6 September 2013. The theme for Tattva 2013, Culture for Innovation, Shaping the Future, connotes a concussion of such practices in the industry which nurtures the innovation culture and which is reflected in the process of hiring, creating policies and planning for continuous improvement.
Besides the other events, the Insurance Summit is the flagship event of NIA, organized by the PGDM students, providing a forum to discuss the emerging insurance market challenges and a platform for various stakeholders of the insurance industry to brainstorm on current critical issues. This year's Insurance Summit was held on 15th October 2013 and revolved around the theme Potential to Profits, Capitalizing on the Demographic Dividend.
Finally, let's get to the task at hand. National Insurance Academy is hosting the FAIR NI International Seminar during 7 to 9th November. The theme for the seminar this year is Mastering the Risk to Manage Our Future. So while we are at it, why don't you tell them something about the FAIR NI International Seminar?
Definitely. The recent spate of disasters such as the earthquake and tsunami in Japan, floods in Thailand and Australia, the recent Uttarakhand disaster, has made risk management and prevention of losses critical to the fortunes of Afro-Asian countries.
Absolutely. And this is what the FAIR NI International Seminar focuses on. What avenues are there for the insurers to widen and deepen their coverages, what the reinsurers can do to further develop their capacities, and how we can advise the stakeholders in developing risk management programs. So, we welcome you to the FAIR NI International Seminar 2013.